or Bust, where we test out the beauty world's weirdest products and decide if they're worth your money or a total bust. Today we're going to be testing out the MoxieLash Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash Kit. Now, a bunch of my favorite YouTubers have actually tried this product or a version of this product, and surprisingly the reviews have been pretty positive. The idea is to eliminate the need for lash glue and regular fake eyelashes, which can be really tricky to maneuver, especially once it's already dry. $75 gets you a pair of magnetic eyelashes and the liquid magnetic eyeliner, but today we'll be trying out all 3 lash styles. I'm going to be evaluating MoxieLash on 3 things. Do the lashes actually attach to the liner? Are they actually wind resistant? And do they actually stay on all day long? For 75 bucks for a pair of lashes and an eyeliner, I really hope so. So that actually came out pretty good. The formula is a little bit like gloopy. It's definitely not the same as like a regular liquid eyeliner formula. Now I'm gonna apply the magnetic lash in the style Flashy. I'm so scared. Woo! Okay, I guess like I can just. Oh, look at that. It is like sticking on there. Oh my gosh, wait. Let me do that again, let me do that again. This looks pretty good and it feels really secure. Like it feels very attached to my eyelid. Like, look. You see the tugging? The tugging. Since MoxieLash claims to be windproof, we're gonna test it out with a little blow dryer test and see if this lash kit actually holds up in wind. I think that was good. Now let's move on to the sassy lashes. That is one thing that I am loving about these lashes, is that it doesn't matter if you plop them down in the wrong place, because you can literally just boop, lift them off, start over. I see it. Oh no! So now we're gonna move on to the classy lashes, which I think will be my favorite pair. Yep, that's it. This is literally so fast, I can't even believe it. Was that good? Okay. Wow. The only lashes that didn't survive that fake wind test were the sassy lashes, which weren't my favorite anyway. I'm gonna stick with the flashy lashes. I'm gonna leave these on all day long and check back in with you guys tomorrow to give you my final thoughts on MoxieLash. I am very happy to say that my lashes actually lasted the entire day. I actually got caught in a very big rainstorm on my way home. There was lots of wind, lots of water flying at me, and they are still kicking. And by kicking, I mean still attached to my face. I did notice that the liner got a little bit crusty. It kind of flaked off a bit in some places, and it does feel extremely dry now that I'm touching it with my fingers. But it's nothing too bad, nothing too noticeable, and I didn't notice any smudging. But anyway, totally love this experience. I think I would wear these again, to be honest. After a day wearing the MoxieLash magnetic eyeliner and lash set, I can finally say that I am a huge fan. Even when I first tried it out on the back of my hand, the lashes did attach themselves to the eyeliner. It was no different on the eyes, just a super quick and easy application, and it was so fun to see all the little magnets like attach themselves to my eyeliner. It was so fun. During the wind test, we did have one lash casualty, so I wouldn't say that they're 100% windproof. And since the lashes did stay on all day, I would give this kit a 5 out of 5 for longevity. One problem I did have with the MoxieLash kit is that towards the end of the day, the liner did start to feel a little bit dry, and I didn't love the feeling, but it still looked really, really good on my eyes. I do think that the MoxieLash kit is worth the money. I'm wearing a pair of the lashes right now. These are the classy lashes. You can get so many uses out of the kit, and it also just makes false lashes easier to apply and readjust throughout the day.